Dpharm is very unique relative to other events. And it's unique in that it brings together technology that's being developed outside of the pharma industry, in the healthcare industry. We see opportunities for application in the clinical trial space.
The Dpharm event, I mean, what can you not say that makes it different? The topics, the level of discourse, as well as the attendance.
It's really, really cool. It's different, it's unique.
There are a lot of places for professionals in our industry to come together and to meet, and many of them dig deep into different topics. For Dpharm, this is a very unique gathering for us to come together and talk not only about some very interesting new tools, but really also that process of innovation. How do we actually use that new tool, figure out how to embed it in our programs, and ultimately make an impact in how we're developing new medicines and getting them to patients?
I think the most important thing about Dpharm to Medidata is it's a chance for us not just to see what's going on, but to interact with people who are creating different kinds of innovations. You cannot find a better place to have ideas collide than this conference.
For so long, companies are scared to interact and to talk, and everybody was worried about their proprietary innovations. But I'm seeing more collaboration, more connections than ever before, and I really think that's creating more innovation for our industry overall.
That's what makes this show so special. It's all about advancing drug development.
I've been here now for half a day, and I must have bumped into 50 different people, and just in casual conversation, we started to think about how we could take different pieces and combine them together, and it's just a fantastic place to get that done.
You meet new people, you make new acquaintances, and you couple that with the fact that there's so much energy, there's so much enthusiasm.
I think the Dpharm event is very unique, really because it brings together not only leaders from the pharma industry, but also entrepreneurs and developers and patient advocates, even politicians. And it's good for us in the pharma industry to mix it up a bit with people outside our pharma bubble. Wow, there is so much happening in clinical trials now. I really think that this is the most innovative time for clinical research. More patient-centered designs than ever before, use of different technologies like mobile devices and wearables like Fitbit.
For us, mobile has a number of use cases that we can categorize around mobile to improve study conduct and participation, tools that can help patients to comply with a protocol regimen or be reminded about upcoming visits, all the way through to some very innovative tools to help support new ways of capturing data and making that data capture easier.
There's a real drive for innovation in clinical trials that is finally coming from the most senior executives in the life sciences industry. Now everybody realizes life sciences has to change. And now whatever these heads of innovation are doing are becoming some of the most important initiatives in some of the companies in the industry that we have the privilege of working in, I think, everywhere.
It's fun and it's provocative, and I think that that's important, so that we can come up with more out-of-the-box thinking and real solutions from this.
We find that, no other conference, there are situations where you have so many people and so many ideas with the right attitude to make the changes.
Yeah, we think this is absolutely the centre of clinical trial innovation. It's the focus of our year. It's something we look forward to every year, and we're very excited that it's coming to London.
I'll definitely be back here next year.